Most people get dating completely wrong, constantly chasing only to end up frustrated and alone. But what if I told you there's a counterintuitive secret, a psychological trigger that makes her chase you? It's not about playing games, it's about mastering strategic distance, and if you get this right, your entire dating life will transform. Stay tuned, because the final strategy will blow your mind. I used to think that to get a woman's attention, you had to be constantly present, always available, always initiating. I'd be the guy sending follow-up texts, planning every date, bending over backwards, and guess what? It rarely worked. And chances are you felt the same way too, putting in all the effort only to feel like you're running on a treadmill. That's why today, I'll show you the exact blueprint for leveraging strategic distance, not as a manipulative tactic, but as a powerful tool to amplify your value, spark genuine interest, and make her eager to pursue you. Let's dive into the core psychology, the scarcity principle. Think about it. Why are limited edition sneakers or exclusive club memberships so desirable? Because they're not readily available. When something is abundant, it loses perceived value. The same applies in attraction. If you're always available, always initiating, always at her beck and call, you inadvertently signal low value and abundance. You become the safe option, not the exciting challenge. Our brains are hardwired to value what's scarce. This isn't about ignoring her or being rude. It's about understanding that your time, attention, and presence are valuable commodities. When you make them slightly less abundant, you automatically increase their perceived worth. This creates an unconscious pull, a curiosity that makes her wonder why you're not always there. And that's the first step to her chasing you. Remember that feeling when you couldn't get tickets to that concert? You wanted them even more. It's that exact psychological trigger we're tapping into. Now, how do we apply this without being a jerk? It's not about ghosting or playing mind games. It's about the micro pullback. These are subtle, almost imperceptible shifts that signal you have a life beyond her. For instance, instead of replying to her text immediately, wait an hour or two. Not to be rude, but because you were genuinely busy. Instead of clearing your schedule for her last-minute invitation, sometimes, just sometimes, say you're busy with another commitment, like your weekly gym session or meeting up with friends. Don't over-explain, just state it simply. This isn't about making her feel unwanted. It's about demonstrating you have a rich, fulfilling life that doesn't revolve solely around her. This creates a healthy tension, a subtle challenge that makes her invest more. Think of it like a European holiday. You're not always working, you're enjoying life, and that independence is incredibly attractive. Wait till you hear the next point. It's where most guys completely fail. This is where the magic truly happens, and it's the biggest differentiator. Strategic distance isn't just about what you don't do. It's fundamentally about what you do for yourself. Building an irresistible world means cultivating a life so rich, so engaging, and so purpose-driven that you naturally become a high-value man. This means dedicating time to your passions, whether it's learning a new skill, crushing it at the gym, advancing your career, or nurturing your friendships. When you're genuinely invested in your own growth and happiness, you radiate an attractive energy that no amount of chasing can replicate. She'll see that you're not just waiting around for her validation. You're a man with a mission, with passions, with a vibrant social circle. This self-sufficient, confident energy is inherently attractive and creates a natural distance because your world is already full. She won't be chasing you to fill a void. She'll be chasing you to be a part of something amazing. It's the difference between someone desperate for a partner and someone who is a complete, compelling individual. Once you've established your value and created a degree of distance, the next step is mastering the push-pull dynamic. This is about creating an emotional roller coaster, not in a manipulative way, but by subtly alternating between showing interest and creating space. For example, after a great date, instead of immediately texting, "I had fun," the moment she walks through the door, wait until the next day. Send a warm, genuine text, but then don't initiate the next conversation for a day or two. Or during a conversation, be fully engaged, make her laugh, connect deeply, but then be the first one to say, "I'd love to keep talking, but I've got to run to insert genuine commitment." This keeps her guessing, keeps her investing. It prevents the relationship from becoming stagnant and predictable, which often leads to boredom. It's like a good story. There are moments of closeness and moments of anticipation. This psychological dance keeps her emotionally invested and actively pursuing your attention. This is a subtle, yet incredibly powerful technique for making her chase, leaving her with unanswered questions. It's the art of not revealing everything about yourself all at once. When you meet someone new, resist the urge to spill your entire life story, your deepest fears, or your 5-year plan in the first few conversations. Instead, offer glimpses. Share an interesting anecdote, but don't elaborate on every detail. Mention a fascinating hobby without fully explaining it. This creates an open loop in her mind. Her brain, like all human brains, hates incomplete information. It will naturally try to fill in the blanks, which means she'll be thinking about you, wondering about you, and naturally reaching out to learn more. It's like a trailer for an epic movie. It gives you just enough to make you desperate for the full story. This isn't about being mysterious for the sake of it, but about allowing your fascinating life to unfold organically, keeping her intrigued and invested in discovering more about the incredible man you are. Here's the one thing almost nobody realizes, the absolute game changer that ties all of this together. Strategic distance isn't about a lack of interest. It's a demonstration of high self-worth and an invitation for genuine connection. Most men mistakenly believe that being distant means being cold or uninterested, but the true power of strategic distance is that it forces her to engage with your authentic self and to value you for who you are, not just for your availability. When you maintain your boundaries, pursue your passions, and aren't constantly seeking her validation, you're communicating, "My life is amazing, and if you want to be a part of it, you need to step up and meet me where I am." This isn't manipulation. It's an act of self-respect that naturally filters out those who aren't truly interested in a high-value man. And this is the moment everything changes. She stops seeing you as an option and starts seeing you as the prize. So, to wrap it up, first, embrace the scarcity principle. Your time and attention are valuable. Second, practice micro pullbacks to signal you have a life beyond her. Third, build an irresistible world of your own passions and purpose. Fourth, master the push-pull dynamic to keep things exciting. And finally, leave her with unanswered questions fueling her curiosity. If you understand and apply these principles, you won't just make her chase you. You'll attract someone who genuinely values your presence and respects your independence. If this video gave you value, hit the like button. It really helps. And if you want to go deeper into building unshakable confidence, check out this video next where I break down the 3 habits that instantly make you more attractive. Don't just watch, implement, and watch your dating life transform.